recording.
All right, we're on 360 just outside of Telico Plains. We made the right-hander before you go to the long straight where the church is, where the deputy sheriff has his little laser gun shooting you as you're coming down the road to write you a ticket underneath the shade tree. So I can't tell you what this road name is because there are no road names out here. But once you make that hard right-hander, take the Y and go to the left, and you end up on a road that looks like this. I doubt they're going to put a double yellow line down it, but I've been wrong before. But this road is really fun. This road's pretty good, yeah. And we're going to get rural. So here we go. Some of these little rises like that, if it's your first time on the road, don't go take them at speed, because I want to say almost all of them, once you get to the other side, they go a different direction. But this is a great alternative to you riding 360. You know, I don't see Tennessee, the state of Tennessee, paving 360 anytime soon. I'm surprised that they paved these roads. There's nothing out here but farmland. See? Farmland. And if you make a mistake on this road, you're in barbed wire. But there's nothing else out here. That must be the local fishing hole. They're dragging lots of dirt out on the road, but that's all right. I doubt you're going to be carrying enough speed through here for it to matter. It reminds me of a go-kart track. So we're coming up to a church up here on the left. If you watch my videos, I'm going to do another video coming the other direction someday, but not today. But if you watch my videos on this road, that church is paramount. You're going to need to remember that church is like a landmark, because we're at the stop sign here. We're going to make a left. Oh, they have a sign, Old Belltown Mill. So remember that road when you're coming the other direction, Old Belltown Mill. So we're going to make a left. And we're going to go down to the next paved road on the right. If you stay on this road, it's going to be okay, because you're going to come out in Belltown, and then you're just going to make a right at the stop sign and then go back to 360. So it's not like you're going to get lost. But up here, not too far, there is another new paved road, and it sneaks up on you pretty quick. They haven't striped this yet, but they did stripe the new one. And there is a sign for this one too. That's cool. So this one is Ballplay School Road. I knew that this was Ballplay School Road, but I didn't know they had street signs. So good, they do have a street sign. So like I said, this is a much better alternative to riding 360. And the neighbor lady back there, she waved at us, so she must be motorcycle friendly, or she just surprised to see somebody on a motorcycle back in here. But with new pavement comes you hooligans coming out here to tear up the neighborhood. Can't have anything nice. This is only my second time out on this part of the road, so forgive me if I'm cautious. There was somewhere I came around to turn, and it took me by surprise. I'll just say that. I remember having one of those oh crap moments, and my pucker factor was at about 100. I was on the 848 that morning. I might have been playing a little too hard for conditions. But this is awesome. I would rather do it on a motorcycle than in a car, though. Just for the fact, if there's an oncoming car on a motorcycle, you have enough room to get out of the way. In a car, it's going to be a tight squeeze for both y'all to make it by. This is so much better than 360. Somebody's getting a new home right here. Somewhere up here. I remember seeing them building it. Maybe right around this bend. Yeah. Oh, they got the floor done. There were like 8 white people out there on the last day that I came through here. And that's all they got done was the floor. You put that many Mexicans on a house, that house would be done already. So here's Ballplay School right there. And now we're at Ballplay Road, which is 360. So coming the other direction, when you come to that stop sign on the other side of this intersection, just go straight. It's better than 360.